So I would like to provide you with an award, Donato. Here it is. I don't know if people can see it. It simply reads, for being a lighthouse to help deliver countless safe and healthy journeys. So Donato, would you like to share a few thoughts and comments about your work in this award? Thank you.
Thank you, Charles, and to your wonderful team at Volunteers of America, Massachusetts. Thank you to Tony, his staff, and the residents of the Massachusetts Bay Veterans Center, and to my great friend Sumit for recognizing the importance of maintaining a double bottom line in business. And if I may break from English and say in Italian, grazie mille to Mayor Curtatone. It's a pleasure to meet you. The great educator Horace Mann once said, quote, be ashamed to die until you have won some victory for humanity. In that spirit, I want to recognize the many victories your organization has tallied for our veterans and their families, and many thanks to the distinguished guests and presenters who are participating in today's event. Your collective efforts are making this world a more compassionate and kinder place. Healthy Villages was launched in 2011 after I uncovered an article calling out that in our lifetime, 1 billion people will go to their graves prematurely because they did not have access to a healthcare worker. How could anyone accept that 15% of our world's population is doomed simply because they were born in a less desirable zip code? On this particular day, the International Human Rights Day, let us remember that Article 25 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that healthcare is a basic human right for every single person. And when one person has not had access to healthcare, we have violated this declaration. Healthy Villages embraces this belief. Today, we are partnering with organizations in 13 different countries, helping medical workers diagnose and treat people in some of the poorest and most remote regions of the world. And we are saving lives. For example, in East Africa, in a small village called Lawala, 80 more babies per 1,000 live births are now alive because of Healthy Villages and the technology we have made available. Here in the United States, I was very fortunate to have the knowledge that Sumit had been completing his newest innovation, a biosensor monitor patch, when the pandemic hit. When Sumit called me about the Massachusetts Bay Veterans Center in Somerville, explaining that the residents there could clearly benefit from the biosensor patch, there was no hesitation on my part to join in this collaborative partnership and together tally a victory for our veterans. While I am honored to receive this award from the Volunteers of America, I don't view this or any award as a symbol of what has been achieved. Rather, it is an acknowledgement of what still remains to be done. Thank you for allowing me to give back to these veterans who deserve to live with dignity and compassion. And Charles, it is my fervent hope that this is a start of a longer-term partnership. People who know me know that my life has been inspired by some great heroes, including President John F. Kennedy, who was a true hero while serving in the United States Navy during World War II. Today, I recall his words, which are most appropriate for this occasion. Quote, as we express our gratitude, we must never, ever forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Thank you to all of you for living out in action the very deeds that are winning victories for others.
Donato, thank you very much. That was so articulated and passionate. I'm just so pleased we got to meet. I'm pleased that you were able to help the veterans, so thank you.